What's up, guys? It's Earth Angel Hills, and today I'm going to share with you a nice nutritious meal that you can incorporate into your recipe book. Why am I sharing this? I'm sharing this because a little history. When I started Earth Angel Hills, the Instagram page and the brand, I honestly made this page to just be able to share the things that I did for my personal health, because I used to get a lot of people who would ask me questions like, oh, why do you take this herb, or what can I do for this, or what can I do for that? It's just like naturally people would ask me things like that. So I decided to create Earth Angel Hills because I'm Earth Angel, and it was going to be about like how I keep my body active, the things that I eat, the things I consume, the things that I do spiritually, just like holistically, the things that I do to remain in good shape, to heal, to continue to grow, to just be my best possible self. And I just wanted to have like a reference point for people who had questions to be able to tap in, watch my content regarding health so that they can incorporate it on their own journey in their own life. So I've gone through, since then, I've gone through a lot of like, I'll say ups and downs, not too down, but like I've gone through like different things that I've learned to apply to my own journey, my own relationship with like what does health mean for me. And I'm gonna make a simple meal today that is nutrient rich, and I actually haven't made something like this in a very long time, probably years. So me showing you right now on video, it'll be a new recipe for me as well. But yeah, like as an artist and as Earth Angel Hills and as an artist and just as a human being, we have to keep ourselves healthy. It's okay to do things it's okay to eat things that aren't that healthy sometimes, and it's also okay and really good to eat things that are healthy like a majority of the times, just to keep yourself balanced. So yeah, I'm going to show you guys a cool little meal that is rich in selenium, and it's also, I'm going to read a few things that it helps with. Rich in selenium, it's good for your heart health, it's good for inflammation in the body, as well as keeping your immune system boosted, and it's so simple. So the ingredients are going to be Brazil nuts. This is what Brazil nuts look like. And if you don't know, Brazil nuts have one of the highest contents of selenium, like in a food that we can consume. And you really only need 1 or 2. They say 1 to 3, but you got to be careful because you don't want to like consume too much selenium. Just within 1 to 2 or 3, you get enough for like your whole daily requirement. But yeah, they're really good. I haven't had them in a long time, so I wanted to like pick something up new from the store. And then I also have These are called Coruscant wheat puffs. So I actually grabbed these because I thought that they were kamut puffs. I love kamut, but these look just like kamut, so I accidentally grabbed these. And these happen to be great for giving you higher protein, fiber, muscle health. It's rich in minerals like selenium, zinc, and magnesium. So this is going to be like a selenium-rich meal, period. And it helps improve your heart health and reduce inflammation in the body. And it helps with giving you sustained energy due to its B vitamins and support its bone and immune function. This is information from Google. Do your own research. And then as for like the milk, I'm going to use coconut milk. The less ingredients, the better. If you have a real coconut, it's some real cream, you can make coconut milk yourself, do that. It's unsweetened, and I'm going to sweeten it with some maple syrup. So those are the 4 main ingredients, and you can use whatever sweetener you like. If you haven't figured it out by now, it's just going to be a bowl of cereal. Some nice little bowl of cereal that's nice and quick. If you're an artist, you're probably like on the go, and you want to just be able to work. If you have a lot of work to do and a lot of things to manage that will require your sustained attention, and this would be a good meal for you. Those are the 4 main ingredients that I recommend that you use for this recipe, but I am probably going to cut up this Asian pear, put a little bit of that in there. And then I also have some cinnamon that I'll add. And lastly, I have a little bit of this Shroom City chocolate powder. So this is from a local company here in St. Louis called A Forest and Meadow Herbal Shop and Clinic. And inside we have Dutch processed cacao powder, turkey tail extract powder, lion's mane extract powder, chaga extract powder, agar khan extract powder, and agar kiss extract powder. Those are some mushrooms that is like a cool little powder that I like to add to stuff just for, you know, the health benefit and the added flavor. So let's get into it. I know it's really simple to make a bowl of cereal. But I wanted to show you guys this because I feel like it's very important as an artist and as someone who wants to sustain their vessel of creativity, like so that you can continue to like function at your most optimal state and be like as healthy as you can be. It's really important to just have simple things that you do for yourself to maintain your sense of peace and well-being and just overall health. So this is 2 Brazilian nuts, and I cut them up and I'm gonna add them to the cereal. I wish I kind of had like a mortar and pestle, because if I did, I would just crush them up that way. Wow. So you're gonna need to use use something to cut your bag open, so you don't do what I just did. I made a little mess, but that's okay. Because we're cleaning it up. You can also do this with like porridge. If you want to make some porridge and you want to add some Brazil nuts to it, you could do that. Now, I usually would use like agave, but I just so happen to be working with maple syrup right now. So, and it's organic, grade A, dark color, robust taste. Got it from Trader Joe's. You can also add bananas if you like, whatever fruit you want. I'm sure you guys are like, all have your own little recipes of nice little cereals and stuff that you make. I don't eat a lot of cereal, but something told me to get this and make this. It's been a while, you know. Maybe my body is in need of some selenium and the energy that it provides, so maybe that's why I was drawn to munch on this for the next few weeks or so. You can use any cereal too. I like this one because you can also eat this like, you can put butter on this and salt if you want on the skillet and kind of eat it like a popcorn too. So I did taste a little bit, and honestly I would not be able to tell the difference between these cores and wheat puffs versus kamut. They taste very similar, and I just love it. It has such a like, I don't know, like a nice earthy taste to it. If you've ever had Honey Smacks as a kid, it's like that same taste. And I really like that. This is just like a much healthier version that's going to give you some good energy that you might be looking for. So here's a simple recipe to try. And just remember, and whatever you're trying, just like remember to stay healthy, you know. Because as a creator, we need you to remain creative and healthy and, you know, just the best that you can be. So there you have it, guys. That was my delicious little bowl of cereal. It was very simple, easy to make, and yeah, I know it doesn't look like much of whatever, but you know, it has some good nutrition going in, and I took my time making it today. I'm on the go a lot, and I'm really busy right now, so maybe that's another reason why I wanted to create this bowl of cereal for my breakfast the next, for however long it lasts, the next week or so. But yeah, this is gonna help me have sustained energy throughout my workday. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I've been wanting to just like spice up the type of content that I create. So not only will it be like how to make different jewelry things, but I would like to incorporate more things for health and wellness and wealth. But yeah, Earth Angel Hills, like this video, subscribe, and share it if you found it helpful. Thanks, guys.